peering into the eyes of different animals, you'll see some extraordinarily shaped pupils. But why? It turns out that pupil shape is a strong predictor of an animal's involvement in its ecosystem. Pupils are pigmented muscular bands that outline the empty aperture in the iris. They are the portals via which light enters the eye, where it strikes the retina and activates light-sensitive cells, initiating the vision process. Pupils are black because they absorb the majority of the light that enters them. Their size changes in response to light, medications, and emotional and mental states, although their basic form differs widely between species. House cats, for example, are nocturnal predators with vertically enlarged pupils. In the dark, these structures expand dramatically, taking in the available light. When it's bright, they shrink into slits. Vertical pupils. Cat pupils are so adaptable that their maximum area is 135 times larger than their minimum area, but our pupils only shrink and extend 15 times. Because of the way the slit pupil absorbs light, it produces crisp, vertical outlines. When the cat's brain analyzes the pictures from each eye, the minute but distinct variances between them assist the cat in determining the precise distance to its target. Many other ambush hunters, in fact, have vertically enlarged pupils, although mostly those with eyes closer to the ground. This could be because these pupils are particularly useful in recognizing items at the relatively small distances at which these animals hunt. Horizontal pupils. Behind the horizontally extended pupils of many grazing and browsing animals, such as goats, the world appears radically different. These pupils, located on either side of the goat's skull, allow horizontal bands of the light to enter, providing the goat with a near 360-degree perspective and sharp horizontal images. This allows goats to notice any interruption in the horizon, warning them to prospective predators, while also allowing them to see ahead and detect obstacles as they flee. Indeed, goats keep their pupils aligned with the horizon at all times, rotating their eyeballs in their sockets as they move their heads up and down. Round pupils. So why are our pupils round? Longer pupils aid in the sharpening of some dimensions of an animal's eyesight. However, scientists believe that for creatures with circular pupils, such as ourselves, this is a lower priority. Instead of seeing specific components of a situation in great focus, we see a bigger picture in relative detail, which allows us to develop more general observation skills. This may be especially useful for foragers hunting for food, hunters spotting and pursuing their prey, and social animals recognizing other people's faces. Patterns develop as we look at different students. There are, however, exceptions. Pallas's cats and mongooses, for example, are both small ambush predators with circular pupils, whereas mongooses have goat-like pupils. Other pupil shapes. And we've only looked at a handful of different pupil shapes. Other animals have pupils that are crescent or heart-shaped. The cuttlefish has some of the most unusual pupils. They are round in the dark, yet W-shaped in the light. So, what exactly is going on here? Don't you think we'd all like to know?